In the West, there is a legend that is rumored to be true, which states that you cannot fold a piece of paper more than 7 times. For every folding, the thickness of the paper doubles, and the force required to fold that doubled paper also needs to increase accordingly. It's also important to note that the myth of paper folding has been debunked, decoded, or shattered by using a supersized piece of paper. Or a piece of paper large enough but thin as paper can be, and soft as this tissue paper, for example. In fact, the Guinness World Record for the largest number of paper folds is currently held by Brittany Gallivan from the United States, achieving 12 folds using a single sheet of toilet paper that was 1,200 meters long. Still related to paper folding, did you know that if you have a sheet of paper large enough, and suppose you can fold it as many times as you want, can you guess how many folds it would take to reach a thickness equivalent to the diameter of the universe? The answer is only a mere 103 folds. Indeed, according to my own calculations using a computer, if you have a sheet of paper, let's assume it is about 0.1 millimeters thick and large enough. Large enough here meaning large enough for the folded stack to reach a considerable height after many folds, and with a sufficient amount of energy to fold the paper multiple times, you will obtain some incredibly interesting results as follows. After 10 folds, you will have a paper stack with a thickness of about 1 human hand. After 23 folds, the thickness increases to approximately 1 kilometer. After 30 folds, the paper column's thickness is enough to reach the boundary of Earth's atmosphere and space at around 100 kilometers. Continuing to fold it 12 more times, the paper column will be approximately as thick as the distance from Earth to the Moon, about 400,000 kilometers. And if you're considering filming a 24-hour challenge on the Sun, which is approximately 150 million kilometers away, you only need to fold it about 9 more times. Speed up a bit. After folding the paper 83 times, the column will now be approximately 102,223 light years, equivalent to about 967.1 quadrillion kilometers, meaning it is approximately equal to the diameter of the Milky Way galaxy that houses our solar system, about 105,700 light years. After folding the paper 93 times, it is likely that the initial thickness of the toilet paper will be about 104.7 million light years, equivalent to the distance that the fastest light in the universe takes 104.7 million years to travel, or approximately 990.3 sextillion kilometers. To help you visualize, this number is approximately the diameter of the Virgo supercluster, the Virgo supercluster. Among approximately 10 million observable superclusters in the universe, and finally, at the 103rd fold, the thickness of the paper column will fall within approximately 107.2 billion light years, surpassing even the diameter of the currently observable universe, which is only about 93 billion light years. You see, even a roll of toilet paper, if imagined correctly, can accomplish great things.